Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. If you're new here, thank you for joining me on this sunny afternoon day. And today we are making Monster Tonic. I have my Monster shirt on. I usually go for a Monster Mud Run, but it got canceled since COVID. And just remember to keep active and to keep getting exercise. It's very good for your body. Okay, let's get right into it. So we're making Monster Tonic, and here are the ingredients. You need 1 bottle of lemon lime soda. You need 1 cup of ice cubes, green nerds, PopRocks, green apple. You need a straw with, you can have a Frankenstein PEEP. And to make it extra spooky, we have a gummy eyeball. That's really spooky. And let's get right into it. So I already have the nerds on the bottom, and now I pour in the ice cubes. Little spill, that's okay. And then we put in the Sprite, the lemon lime soda. And it looks so good. Then, since the green nerds, and you stir it, because when you stir it, it makes the green effect like a green monster or like a Frankenstein. And it's getting so green, it's almost ready. That's about good. And now we put it on our paper towel. We get our straw and our Frankenstein and we put it in there. It looks so good. Then for our spooky effect, we do our gummy eyeball. Then we have the PopRocks. Whoa, it's popping all over the place. It sounds so good. And this is very festive and it looks so good. And this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna try it because this looks so good. Oh guys, that is wonderful. It is so festive. And you guys can make this too at home. And it is great. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And keep watching because Halloween week is not over. See you guys.